Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today we've got something special for you. 1926 Armstrong Siddeley, 14 horsepower Armstrong Siddeley, and the famous emblem on there. These cars have never ever been as much value for money. I don't care what anybody else says. If you want to buy a cheap classic car, and I mean a real classic car, not a Ford Escort or an Austin Allegro, a proper car, now's the time, because they'll never ever be as cheap. It won't go down anymore. This is it. This car is as cheap as it's ever going to get. Quick, I'll show you around it. I'll show you around it quickly. So the car's been part of a deceased estate that we acquired. We acquired 2 or 3 cars, long-term ownership. Car's been to South Africa, came back in the 80s. It's been put in a warm, heated garage, as you can see by the condition of it. There is age-related marks, bit of pitting on the chrome in here, stuff like that. Little bits of blebs on the paintwork, but I can't say it's original because I wasn't here 98 years ago, but it's about as original as you're going to get. Inside the car, the interior is absolutely gorgeous. Again, worn but nice. Same in the back. Look at the room in the back. And I keep harping on about the value of these cars. This car, you won't get a good Austin 7 Chummy for the same money that this is. And if you've drove an Austin 7, for God's sake, you'll know what I mean. Round the back, wheels and tyres, really good condition. I love the little cast iron number plates. Everything works as it should. The lights, bits and bobs. Toolbox on the side. We'll have a quick look in the engine bay. Just a quick look in. There she is, a little 4-cylinder, 14 horsepower. I think it's about 1850cc. Really torquey engine. And I'll tell you about this engine. This engine, like I say, we've just recommissioned the car. We haven't done anything really major to it. I'll leave that. to it, apart from getting it running after the long-term storage. So there will be jobs to do on the car. So the next person, we're going to leave that to him. There'll be bits and bobs to do. There'll be, little jobs to do here and there. I'm not saying there won't, but that's part of the fun of owning one of these things. The engine on this car ticks over that slow. You can practically count the teeth on the flywheel. It's unbelievable. Honestly, it's like a sewing machine. So there you have it. 1926 Armstrong Siddeley for less than 12 grand. So that's less than the price of an Austin 7 Chummy. If you've got the space, there's no competition. Buy it. You'd be crazy not to. And I'll tell you something else before I stop waffling on a bit more. People are buying them, but not in this country. The inquiries I get all the time are from abroad. These cars are going out the country quicker than hotcakes. So they must know something we don't. Anyway, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And it makes me want to go out there, find more interesting cars, put them up for sale, and sell it to really interesting people like yourselves. Bye-bye now.